Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm David. So if you want more information about this project, let's go.
METAKOO electric bike M1-12. A 350W powerful motor. A 350W brushless motor which mounted to the rear wheel, providing 3 levels of assistance from 9 mph to 15 mph max. With a speed sensor, once you begin pedaling, it automatically engages the motor to give a boost to your ride. Large capacity battery 280.8 Wh battery delivers a mileage of 31 to 37 miles in electric assisted mode and around 18.6 miles in pure electric mode. The battery is fully charged in 4 to 6 hours, which could meet the demand of most trips. Shock absorption and disc brake, rear spring suspension and high elastic damping seat reduce the vibration when going down the steps to provide a smooth riding experience. The front and rear disc brake can provide powerful and progressive braking in any conditions. 3 riding modes, it can be used as a pure epic, assisted bike and normal bike. You can choose different levels of power according to your needs. Press the power mode buttons and roll the throttle, then you can enjoy pure electric mode. Convenience and portability, compact design and folding save you more space so that you can fit it at the back of your sedan easily. Cruise control will work after 5 seconds of fixing speed under pure electric mode, then release the throttle. Recommended rider height is 4'5'9", so it can be shared with the family. Please give the battery a full charge before the first time use.
So thanks for watching. If you want more information about this project, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.